Hi guys, we invited you to join the LCIF Association. To become a member, just click on the link below. Here you can get support, information, and discounts.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and